Hello friends, I am Taranveer and I am giving you a brief explanation on number line of rational numbers. We can mark the integers, the fractional numbers, the negative fractions on the number line. So let's have an example first. Example first. Represent rational number minus 4 upon 5 on the number line. So let's start. To represent rational number minus 4 upon 5, we have to divide the distance between 0 and minus 1 into 5 equal parts. Starting from 0, move towards minus 1, you have to move left, and fourth mark will represent minus 4 upon 5 as shown below. So you have to do like this. There's an example of number line also. So let's move forward to example 2. Represent 3 upon 8 and minus 1 upon 8 and 5 upon 8 on the number line. We divide the distance between 0 and 1 into 8 equal parts, and also distance between 0 and minus 1 towards left of 0 into 8 equal parts. Moving towards right of 0, first mark will be 1 upon 8, second 2 upon 8, and so on. Similarly, moving towards left of 0, first mark will be minus 1 upon 8, second minus 2 upon 8, and so on. The points A, B, and C represent 3 upon 8 and minus 1 upon 8 and 5 upon 8 on the number line respectively. Okay, so now let's start comparison of rational numbers. Let us compare the rational numbers without using number line. We know that every positive rational number is greater than 0. Example, 3 upon 5 is greater than 0. Second, every negative rational number is less than 0. Example, minus 5 upon 9 is less than 0. Note, while comparing the rational numbers, a first step is to make denominator of rational number positive. Method of comparing rational numbers. So let us start the method of comparing rational numbers. Step 1. Express the rational numbers with positive denominators. Take LCM of positive denominator. Step 3. Express each rational numbers as in step 1 with LCM as common denominator. Step 4. Compare the numerators. The number having the greater numerator is greater. So let's have an example. Minus 3 upon 7 and 5 upon minus 4. So first we have to make the denominator positive and then take the LCM of the denominators, that is 28. So and then make the denominators equal, and the one with the greater numerator is greater. So let's start alternative method of comparing rational numbers. We can also compare rational numbers by cross multiplication method. Let me give a brief explanation on that. Examples first. Minus 5 upon 8 and minus 3 upon 7. So the two rational numbers are minus 5 upon 8 and minus 3 upon 7. And now we have to use the cross multiplication method. So we will multiply minus 5 to 7 and 8 to minus 3. So minus 5 multiplied by 7 is minus 35 and minus 3 multiplied by 8 is minus 24. So which is greater? Minus 24. Okay, so the greater number is minus 3 upon 7. Let's move forward to example 2. Minus 7 upon upon 5, comma, minus 11 upon 8. So let's use cross multiplication method. So we will multiply minus 7 to 8 and 5 to minus 11. minus 7 multiplied by 8 is minus 56, and minus 11 multiplied by 5 is minus 55. So which is greater? It's minus 55. So the greater ones is minus 11 upon 2. Okay, let us do some ascending order questions. So arrange minus 7 upon 4, minus 5 upon 6, minus 7 upon minus 12. And so first we have to take the LCM of all the denominators, and before that what we have to do? It's converting denominator to positive denominator. Okay, so the LCM is 12, and then we have to make all the denominators equal, and then we have to compare every fraction, and then we have to arrange every fraction to smaller to greater. Okay, thank you, and I know that you have enjoyed my class.